Good morning, everybody. I hope you are all doing fantastic. So, on today's Wellness Wednesday, we are going to talk about traumatic brain injuries, or TBIs. These can range anywhere from a concussion, which you could do those a number of different ways, to massive falls, motor vehicle collisions, you name it. Skydiving, parachuting, hard impact, anything like that. So, traumatic brain injuries, or TBIs as they're commonly known, are a major cause of disability worldwide. That it's just what it is thing. In 2010, there were 2.5 million TBI-related hospitalizations in the United States, which is pretty crazy. On a daily basis, that breaks down to about 138 people a day. That's a lot of people whacking their melons. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy, we all knew I was going to go there, used with intensive rehabilitation or with rehabilitation alone, has been shown to enhance the recovery from TBI and augment brain activity by reducing hypoxia, reduced oxygen flow to the brain. It also helps reduce neuroinflammation, which is inflammation of your nervous system, increasing circulation of oxygen to the brain and increasing circulation to the brain. Clinical studies have demonstrated this numerous times, the benefits of HBOT with TBI. So let's take a look here. Sorry, I just had my camera on a goofy location this morning. I was trying to switch it up and it bit me. So with hyperbaric oxygen therapy, we're able to enhance neurological repair and regeneration. It's pretty cool. So it attenuates, which means reduces the effects of hypoxia and inflammation in the brain. So the sooner we can get you into the chamber, the better you're going to do and the quicker it's going to work. It helps moderate mitochondrial dysfunction, which those are the powerhouses of the cell. It increases your penumbra tissue recovery. So the penumbra is basically the walled off area of brain that happens when you have a TBI or a stroke. It induces remyelination, so it induces your body to recoat your nerves. Pretty wicked awesome. It promotes neurogenesis, which is the growth of new nerve. It enhances, you ready for this, stem cell mobilization and proliferation. So not only does it enhance your stem cells' growth rate, it gets them to move. That's pretty awesome. And it helps stimulate neuroplasticity, which is our body's ability to change, or more specifically, our nervous system's ability to change. HBOT will help increase cognitive function. It enhances speech and language, pretty awesome. It will help lessen the frequency of seizures, improves balance and walking, which for people with TBIs like I had, that would have been massive, total game changer. It helps improve gross and fine motor skills, helps alleviate spasticity. TBI survivor, I'll tell you right now, that spasticity is wicked. It hurt more than any of the broken bones I've ever done in my life. And it helps stimulate better eye contact. So let's jump into this one right away. Here's a study. This was done back in 2014. You can pull this up on the International Hyperbaric Association's website. If I remember, I will link this in the video below. So in 2014, a controlled longitudinal study was performed, and it assessed the effects of intensive rehabilitation combined with hyperbaric oxygen therapy, HBOT, on gross and fine motor function in 150 children with cerebral palsy. It was an 8-month-long study. It involved every child receiving standard rehab, and then they broke it into 3 groups, which also included hyperbaric oxygen therapy. The control group, they didn't get any hyperbaric treatments. they received standard rehab for cerebral palsy or CP. All of the HBOT groups received 40 one-hour sessions. That's kind of a standard with more serious things. 6 days a week. That's a lot. That's hitting it hard. But I tell you what, you have a brain injury, you'll do anything to help get over it. I speak from that firsthand. So group number 1 was treated at 1.3 atmospheres with compressed air. The second group, 1.5 atmospheres, 100% oxygen. Third group was treated at 1.75 atmospheres with 100% oxygen as well. After an 8-month follow-up, all 4 groups had improved, which is what we would expect. However, in the HBOT groups, the gross and fine motor function variations were on average, are you ready for this? Buckle up, 3 times higher than the control group. The study concluded that there were no major statistical improvements between the 3 different pressures. So basically what they're saying is as long as we can increase oxygenation to the brain, you're going to be about 3 times better than you would be likewise. So as always on these Wellness Wednesdays, there I was trying to get rid of that link for everybody. Bad me. If you guys and gals have any questions or comments, please put them in the video below. Facebook is gone kind of weird, but I will answer you if you have a legitimate comment in there. And please like and share this with somebody that has a TBI or has had them. There's really cool research on it. Even dating out as far as several years, you can still benefit from this. Have a great day, P.L.C. See ya.